Very much. So I'm the theme leader for the second theme. So I will really quickly go through the 5 projects that we are currently running and have been running through this sprint. And this will be a very high-level kind of introduction and overview to these. 4 of them are represented in the poster sessions. So I suggest that you go there and talk to the people who actually know what these projects are about. The first one, the project on managing architectural technical debt. This is a very long-running project that now an associated project in Software Center. So the more recent result and what they are currently doing, one of the kind of new topics in this project is looking at using ML to detect and classify technical debt in JIRA tickets. The second one is project number 35. This is the managing model inconsistencies. So this is looking into the kind of how to document and communicate software architecture, and looking at the relationship or the flexibility moving between informal diagramming and more formal ways of modeling architecture. And in particularly kind of looking more into the communication and kind of looking into how software architecture and other software design artifacts are being communicated. Then we have 2 quite related topics-wise projects looking at the safety and security aspects of this. So project number 49 with a really long project name, focusing on these 4 dimensions of assurance: norms, processes, products, and assurance cases, and how to handle these 4 dimensions in the SafeOps context. And project number 50, also with a long name, focusing also on safety, security, and assurance, in focusing on the evidence and the tracing and traceability of evidence, especially between these silos of looking at kind of legal and standards and safety and security, and how to interface between these silos. And then we have the associated projects of missions and capability engineering, and this one looking specifically at system of systems. So when systems are kind of large enough to be created from smaller, quite independent systems, how the concepts of missions for the overall system of systems and the capabilities of individual constituent systems can be kind of managed and expressed, and in the long term kind of leading to support for the science-based exploration in this type of system. And then I also want to mention that we have 4 new projects being proposed for the coming theme. So if any of these topics are of interest, the representatives for these projects are also present here today. So I encourage you to go talk to them in the break or in the poster session if you want to know more about this.